So first understand the MS Access data connectivity, right? So we have opened the MS Access, right? And when you open the MS Access, here is the your recently file, and here is the your used template. Last time we have told you what is the template, because template is the ready-made, ready to use files for the different purposes. Okay. At home, this is the you use template. Otherwise, you have the blank workbook. So now we have clicked the blank workbook. When you click the blank workbook, you can create here. When you open the MS Word, MS Excel, then you have create the file and do the something after that save. But in the MS Access, first create your file. First create your file. First save your file, and after then use. Okay. It's recording, right? Recording. Okay. Okay. So here is the location. But if you want to change the location, click here, the folder option, and write here your file name and choose the locations. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Just say I have write the 5 p.m. and this is the MS Access data type. Okay. This is the 2000 is the lower version, lowest version. This is the lower version, and this is the country version. Okay. Oh, okay, got it. Then we have click OK. Now create. Within seconds, your database will be created, and here is the one default table. So first understand the table, because first you have import the data and enter the data in the table. After that, you can use the other things just like form, query, reports like that. So first understand the table. So now I want to import the data from somewhere. We have created the table and enter the data, but now I want to import the data from the other source. Just like I have my data in the Excel, my data in the Excel. Okay, yes. I want to this data. So before the importing this data in the Access, you have checked the data. Your data is starting from the row one, and no any other extra data here. Okay, sorry. Yeah, go ahead. Okay. So yeah, we have closed it. So and we have go to the external data source. External data source. In the external data source, click here, new data source from file. So we have lot of options just like from file, from databases, online services, other sources like that. So we have choose the from file, and we have click the Excel. Click the Excel. Click the Excel and click here browse. First select your data file. Okay. So we have select the data file, then open, and then we have two type here, because no have any table here. If you have table here, so three options, but here is no table, so only for two options. First, import the data source into the new table in the current database, and second, the link. So first, know about the link table. So we have okay. Select your seat here. Next, and here is the choose the column heading. The first row. That's why I say you. So check your data. Your data is starting from the row one. First, row one, here is your column table. Column heading, sorry, column heading. Now, next, now we have check your data type. So we have not know about the data type currently, but in future class we have discussed the data type, then you can understand what is the data type. But you have changed here your data type. Click the next and click the again next, and this is that's your table name. Which table name? So here, so by default your seat name is the table name, but you can change here. Now click on the finish, and if you want to import the many times this file, you can save it, otherwise close. So you can see here your data file will be coming here. But this data is not linked with my Excel data. Okay. So you can see here, right? We have sort this data descending order. So my last data is ID is the 17665, right? And now we have changed something in the Excel. So we have increased the my one row, change the number here, one here, 6,666. Okay. And we are right here in-house. We have saved this and close. Okay, you can see here no refresh option here. No refresh option here. Refresh only for the link. So this, if you change your data, not change in your access, because I have select the data into the first option, data into table. Okay, but I want to connect the data with link. So that time we have choose the Excel, select your data files, and now we have choose here the link data source. Link data source. Then okay. Select the sheet, next, next, and we have type here the name. This is data one, just like data one, and finish.
Because we cannot use the same sheet name, right? Table name, right?
You can change here.
No, I mean we have already selected the data for the first option. Now we are choosing the another option, like third option. So we should use the another name for the.
You have changed the name. Every format you have changed the name here. Okay.
Okay, 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 okay.
And after connecting, you can also rename. Okay. Just right click and rename everything. You can also rename this. Okay. Now you can see here, this is the your data. Now we have sorted it. Yeah, sorted here. 666 here.
Oh.
Now we have opened the Excel.
Okay.
You can see this is the read only. So if you have link your Excel in the access, need to close first your access. Okay. Because in the backend your Excel will be open.
Oh, got it.
So now we have changed something in my data.
Okay.
So we have increased the one row here. So 7, and we have type here distributor. Okay. We have saved the Excel file.
Okay.
And close. Now open my Access database.
Okay.
Here is the 5 p.m. data. Click here. Now we have click here. Yeah, you can see here.
Yeah, it's already here.
Okay. But
so always better to use the third option, right?
Okay, right.
Yes.
Now we have received the file daily basis. Other we have also 25 here. There is a 24 file here, and this is the data is the part by some data in the 3, some data in 4. Just like if you have created the MTT report and your data in date wise, the different files every day, every day one files. Okay. So if you want to create the monthly report, it means you have the 31 file. Okay.
Yeah.
So now we have go to the external data source and new source from Excel and browse. Go to the location and we have select the free number file. Then open.
Okay.
And first we have create normal options. Next, next, next. We have type here M data. Then finish. So and close. You can see here M data will be coming. Now I want to import my fourth number of file, the same folder, but I don't want to create the new table. I don't want to create a new table.
Okay.
I want to my data append in the M data sheet. Okay,
So the replacing the existing sheet.
not a replacing, adding. So in the three number file have a 20 data, and four number file data have we added in the below, just like copy in the below.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
We have click here. Now we have select the second options. Append a copy of record into table. And when you click, you have select your table. Which table you want to append. Okay. Select the M data. So four number of file data have a append. Append means paste in copy in the below. Copy in the below of the data. So your existing data will be not changed. Your existing data will be not changed. Your new data coming the below of your current data. Then okay, and we have clicked the yes and next and finish and close.
So I have one now.
Yeah, tell me.
So if the
You can see here.
the data, yeah, I understood sir this one. If the data having multiple sheets, the file which you are recording Excel sheet, if it is having multiple sheet, so the which sheet it will take to here.
You have the option to choose your sheets. One time, one sheet. One time, one sheet. I have again repeat you here. We have select my data number 5, and okay.
Yeah.
Click the append, select the M data,
Okay.
then okay. Okay. So because here is no option for the choosing the sheets, because in the my Excel sheet only for one sheet. If you have the multiple sheet in the file, so you have need to choose yes. Okay.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Clear.
But problem is that this forces this is good for daily basis. If you have received the daily basis file, you have append there, right?
Yeah.
I have
later which sheet you have. Okay. Got it.
yeah. You tell me. So these features you have append the data, insert the data below of your current data. It is fine if you have received the daily one file, but at the end of month, not if you receive the daily file, you have received the end of the month the total file in one time.
Okay, yes.
So that time
Yeah.
you have one by one append data, one by append data, one by one append data. So you have take the 24 to 30 times.
Yeah.
This is a taking time. So for this, you have used the Excel feature. If you have the latest Excel, so in the Excel have a feature you have import the data from the folder. So here in the data, we have choose the get data from file, and here is the option last one folder. In the MS Excel, have a data menu. In the data menu, have a get data. In the get data, this is the from folder. Click on the from folder. Click on the from folder. Now select your folder and open. Wait a few minutes. You can see the all file list. So you have never click on the load. If you click on the load, only for this list of file will be loaded in the Excel sheet. I have select here load and combine and load to. Combine and load to the third one.
Okay.
Click the here. Now you have choose the your first file. Okay, in the your first file. But one thing here, you have ensure that every file data format will be same.
Oh, okay, okay. Same heading,
Same heading, spelling, same type of the data. Okay. If you have changed,
Okay, got it.
not a sequence is not required. Sometime your
Yeah.
column two is your the file number three, column two, the in the two position, but in the file number four,
Okay.
column two is the three number position, five number position. So position is not, sequence is not required, but field name is the required. Every data field have the same spelling, like name, Jan, Feb,
Okay.
March. Okay, sequence is not required,
Okay.
and you have click here. Skip file with error. If you have errors in any one file, so these files are skipped,
Okay.
and just press the OK. Now wait a few minutes. Now you have time to choose the location, which locations you want to get it. So we have existing worksheet and select the location and press OK in the table.
Okay.
You can see here all data file combined here. And you can see also here your source file name. You can tally which file have an error. So here is the skip.
Wow. Okay, got it.
Okay, now we have saved this file, combined data in the Excel format, and we have select the locations, location like D drive, and
So later this source data having it changed, this
yeah,
will be refreshed automatically.
yeah, any data has a change, and any your just like you have maybe your new filing coming, just like we have paste here, and this is the by rename 25th. So new file is coming
Okay.
here, right? So we have just
Okay.
refresh, just refresh. When you refresh, your new file coming here,
Oh, okay, got it, got it.
20. See here?
Yeah, yeah, got it, got it.
Okay. So this is the fully automated. So
Oh,
not you have not used only for the access. We have used the every tools, which tools you have give the automations. Okay, and
got it.
your work is smoothly. So now we have just go to the file and click the Excel, select the my Excel database.
Mhm.
This is the C data. Okay, now okay,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
we have select the link. Why? If I my this data my if your folder have a new file, your data, Excel data will be updated. When your Excel data will or updated, your table is also updated. Okay,
Yeah.
when you click the
So
link,
we can't choose the, okay, since we have the full data, we are clicking always the link file. Right?
right,
Yeah, yeah, got it, got it.
and click here. Here is the option for the choose the seat. Okay,
Yeah, got it. Clear, 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 clear.
next, next, and change the name here, just like C data, and finish. You okay? Now you can see
Yeah,
the C data. Okay. Now
yeah,
I
yes.
have increased the one file in the my folder, just like 26.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. Now you can see here 26 is not coming here, right? So we have
yeah,
go to the link table, select your link, just like C data here, click
yeah.
the C
Taking.
data and just click the refresh.
Oh, okay.
Just click the refresh.
Yes, yes, yeah.
And we have just click the C data here. You can see
26 also.
no 26 is not coming here. Once again, we have reopened the access. 26 not coming because your Excel file is not open. So you have need to open your Excel and refresh on the Excel. After that, your data coming. But how can we have handle it with Access? So that time we have used the VBA programming. So in the Access, we have write the macros. So open the Excel file and refresh my data. Okay. Open the Excel file. Now you can use 26 here and refresh my data. Right. And yes, sir. And after that, your Access will be updated. Okay.
So I can see one already maybe.
Yeah, in this course have a VBA. So next in the future class we have discussed the VBA.
Yeah, sure, sure. You happy to learn all this.
Okay, you can see here
Yeah.
26 coming here.
Now 26. Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, they understood.
so today we discuss about the data connection between Excel and folder. Okay,
Oh, yeah, agree. Yeah.
but in the external data source we have different sources. Just like we have connect with XML, your text file also. Also, there Excel another Excel file, SQL server, any database file, online services just like DataServe, SharePoint, data services, and also the other sources like ODBC and Outlook folder. But this is discussed on the Monday. Okay. Now I have shared you my data file. Okay, both of the
Yeah,
data.
sure. Yeah.
This
It's like recording also, sir. So like, we can
yeah.
take a look.
And also class recording. So you have any problem you have. So we have shared, yes, shared this Excel file, a data file,
Yeah.
and also today class.